My God, for how many years have I been walking and I haven't made a single step? My God, for how many days have I been looking for what is always with me? For how many years have I been chewing instead of bread on raw love? How many lives in my temple does a burning steel shaft spit along away the vastness? Black headlights in the neighboring yard, hatchways and cups don't mouth. How many times did my head roll off the overflowing guillotine and flew here? Where is motherland? I'm going to the motherland. Let them shout it's ugly, but we like it all the same. So it's not a beauty, so trustful to scum, but to us. Hey! My God, how much truth in the eyes of the government holds? How much faith in the hands of the fired executioners? Please don't let them roll up their sleeves again. Please don't let them roll up the sleeves of eventful nights. In the neighboring yard, hatchways and cuffs storm out. From many times in my head, roll off the overflowing guillotine and flew here. Where is motherland? I'm going to the motherland. Let them shout it's ugly, but we like it all the same. A sleeping beauty, so trustful to scum, but to us. Hey, boss. From under black shirts, birds, a red rooster. From under kind jars, marmalade pours in the mouths. Never has this world had room for both. Father was our God and our devil. Motherland, I'm going to the motherland. Let them shout it's ugly, but we like it all the same. I'm a sleeping beauty, so trustful to scum, but to us,